Hi guys, Jackie here from the Builderall team. In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to optimize your site settings as well as your page settings for SEO. First, we're going to click on Site Settings. You're going to note that we've got the title, address, URL, and description. In all three of these places, you need to add your keyword in exactly the same way. Here we've got Best Online Marketing Platform. The URL, it's been repeated. And as well in the description, we will find it right there. Next point is you're going to go down until you get to SEO settings. And you're going to add your keyword again. Now we're going to go to meta tag. Now what is a meta tag? Meta tags are snippets of text that describes the page content. The meta tags don't appear on the page itself, but only in the page source code. So meta tags are essentially little content descriptors that tells the search engines what the page is about. But because Builderall is making it easy for us, you do not need to add any meta tag details right here, because the meta tags that they normally add would be keywords, title, and description. But this is already done for you, so you really do not need to add any meta tag details. The only time that you would want to play around with it is if you are a really advanced user. So I will give you an example. This is an example of what the meta tag look like, and that is what you would have to type in there if something was missing. For an example, you would have link, canonical, href, and your content details. But this is basically what it looks like. If you want to go a little bit more in detail with regards to meta tags, you can just go Google meta tag and they will give you information. If I could give advice, is not to put anything in here because it could mess up your results on Google. The same apply for robots. Robots is basically telling the search engines which pages needs to be followed and which ones should not be followed. But I will show you that in the page settings as well. And then once you've done that, you're going to just click Save, and then we're going to go to the next page. I'm just going to go to Pages. Now for site settings right here, page settings, you're going to click Settings. And you're going to do exactly the same thing. You've got your name, in this case, Fastest Website Builder. You've got your URL in exactly the same format. You've got the title. And then inside of the description, you use the keyword again. And then you're going to scroll. And then you're going to get to SEO settings. And you're going to repeat it again. Fastest Website Builder, because that is your keyword. Again, you do not need to put the meta tag because Builderall is already doing that for you. Remember I said about robots, this is where you will say if a page should not be indexed. So you don't need to go fill in all these little robot details if Builderall is going to do it for you. Now once you have done your pages and you have saved everything, just to give you some peace of mind, you can always go to a website called serpsim.com, serpsim.com, and test your site. But remember, make sure that your site is already propagated and everything. So let me get an example. This is one of my Builderall sites. I'm just going to click Fetch. And there you will see that there's a title as well as a meta tag. So it gives you all the details. It even tells you that I've gone over the limits and I need to make it shorter. When you scroll down and you click on Reach Snippet, here you can see exactly what it would look like. You can see there it's a little bit too long, so I need to make it shorter. And then you can also check how it looks like on mobile. So that's very important. Then afterwards, just to give you peace of mind that everything is right with the search engines, is to make sure that you use serpsim.com. Also, do not forget about Builderall's awesome tool on the SEO page tool. On page tool, where you can make sure that everything that you've done on your physical page by writing the content is 100% right, so that it gives you a better chance to rank inside of Google. That is basically it for this lesson, and have a good day. Bye-bye.